I've known GM engineers for 15 years, and there's a secret they don't share. When I ask, which Silverado do you drive? The answer? Always 2007 through 2010. Always. Why? Because they know something. Subscribe, comment GMT 900 with your year. Let's go! GM engineers recommend new models to the public. It's their job. But for their kids? For their friends? For themselves? 2007 through 2010, no exceptions. And today, you'll discover why. 4 years, 4 reasons. 2007. First year of the new generation, GMT 900 arrives, but GM still had sky-high standards. Your 2007? Perfect transition. Takes the best from GMT 800, adds GMT 900 improvements. Frame still robust, no cuts, no cost saving, full engineering. Engineers know 2007 was the last year before cost pressures increased. You caught the threshold, where old quality meets new technology. While 2014 onward had cuts, your 2007, full spec. You have what engineers choose, not what they sell. 2008, financial crisis hits, GM enters trouble, but still hasn't cut quality. Your 2008, built at the peak before bankruptcy, before cuts. Standards still at the top, components still premium, zero cost saving yet. Engineers know 2008 is the year, last before everything changed. After 2009, GM under government pressure, cuts begin. But your 2008 escaped that, built when GM was still GM. You have rarity, you have pre-crisis, you have gold. 2009, GM declared bankruptcy in June, but 2009 production already rolling. Your 2009 built with parts and standards from the previous year. Production lines don't change overnight, suppliers already contracted, components already ordered. Engineers know 2009 is still pre-changes, still has old quality. That's why they drive 2009. Looks post-crisis on paper, but is pre-crisis in practice. You caught the hidden one, the year that looks like one thing, but is another. You have the secret, what engineers know. 2010. Last year before the big changes of 2011, last of the good phase. Your 2010, perfect closing, last batch of high quality. After 2011, aggressive AFM, more complex electronics, more problems. But your 2010, still simple, still strong, still reliable. Engineers know 2010 is where they stop. After that, they don't recommend anymore. That's why GM parking lots filled with 2007 through 2010. You had the last one, the end of the good era. You have what they keep for themselves. 2007 through 2010. GM engineers don't say this publicly, they can't. But privately, to family, to friends, it's always these 4 years. They know what changed after, know what existed before. You didn't buy a truck by accident, you bought what insiders choose. Comment GMT 900 with your year now. Like, share. Next video, why 2011 through 2013 has this that 2020 plus lost. You drive what engineers drive. See you next time, Silverado family.